Now, let's get right into the beef of this discussion. The 2024 season. Before we begin, I'd like to ask who here are competitors and which ones are organizers. So for competitors, sino po nag-compete for the 24? Kayo naman po. From your perspective as a competitor, how has the season been? The 2024 season compared to
Compare
the
po
2023?
last year, mas active kasi, I mean, medyo na-kompleto ko yung buong season ng 2023 compared ngayong 2024 kasi medyo napunta ako sa big bike. Parang nakatatlong race ng ata ako ngayong 2024 pero dun ko naramdaman na mas love ko pala talaga ang four-wheel. So, and because of that, mas naging eager po ako na kumpletuhin itong next season. Baga, kung ano yung na-miss out ko ngayong year, hindi pwedeng hindi ko siya mababawi ngayong darating na 2025. And sa LC ko naman, wala naman pong nagbago. And hopefully nga, makapagpalit po ako ng mas malakas na engine this time.
Ayun, papalit na ng engine.
Sana.
Ano po yung balak niyong palitan ng engine?
Gusto ko na po mag-dock.
Wow!
And gusto ko nang kalabanin yung mga magagaling.
You know, nakikipaglaro sa big boys. Grabe naman to si Miss H. Very ambitious from you, ma'am, and glad to see that you are back and enjoying four wheels again. I mean, no shade on two wheels, but then, of course, glad to see that you are back and loving the four-wheel experience. Sir David, my question for you, as a competitor, what is your, well, first of all, your 2024 experience this season, and then as a follow-up question to that, what would be your highlight for this year? And if ever you have something, if anything special happened to you this year in this sport, what would that be?
Okay, actually, among the panelists kasi, ako yung pinaka bago sa sport. More than a year pa lang ako nagko-compete. Compared last year naman, more on learning the basics kasi yun. This year naman, nag-focus kami sa, kakarga ng makina. Mas naging sirain ngayon compared nung last year. Pero siguro pinaka na-enjoy ko is nakikilala mo yung community, sila sirs. During the events, iba't ibang events, pero kami pa rin yung magkakakilala. So, lumalawak din yung network. Siguro yun yung pinaka-benefit na nakuha.
Alright, thank you very much, Sir David.
Tough long battery. Tough and long lasting.
Sir David naman, as somebody fresh in the drag scene, how has the competition been for you? And how is the camaraderie between let's say the drivers who are new to the sport and the drivers who are considered veterans?
Actually, nag-start kasi ako, sir, manager nila, Angel, Complex Carbon. So, we fabricate carbon composites, ganyan. Nagkataon na meron siyang extra car that time. Nag-try ako mag-race. Tapos, sunod na. Hanggang sa napunta na sa akin yung sasakyan. Ayun, so far, sabi ko nga kanina, the community itself, very welcoming, tutusin. The Sir, Liwi, lahat sila naging kakilala ko lang din sa drag race. Hanggang sa lumago. Ayan, I think yung drag for me is more on meeting new people. Wala kasi parang naging hobby lang siya. Hanggang lumago na lang yung mga kilala.
I think gano'n naman for everybody na nag-start lang siya as a hobby and then we dove into the rabbit hole and suddenly we're doing the sport.
It takes time. May sinasabi lang minsan yung iba na tawag dito, yung kapag first timer ka, anong tawag sir doon? Yung, hindi. May luck ka, first timer ka pero nananalo ka. Opo. Beginner's luck. Pero actually, sobrang hirap ng drag kasi kailangan yung consistency nandun, hindi porket nauna ka sa finish line, panalo ka. Parang ang kalaban mo lagi doon, sarili mo, parang huwag mong pakialaman yung kalaban mo. Dapat consistent ka sa kung anong dineclare mong oras, yun ka pa rin dadating sa finish line. And sobrang hirap nun kahit parang alam ko na kung saan ako mag-shift. Pero kapag nandiyan na yung kalaban, parang bigla na lang akong napapashift kahit hindi pa naman dapat. Sabi ko, bakit ako nag-shift? Hindi pa naman dapat. Kasi biglang parang nagulat ako nandiyan na siya. Naiiwan na ako. Pero kung naging consistent sana ako, na alam ko naman na dapat ganito ang cut-off ko, dito ako mag-shift, nanalo sana ako. Kaso, parang yung ego mo na ayokong mauuna ka sa finish line, ako dapat. Pero mali. Kasi consistency talaga yung... Opo, consistency talaga yung ikakapanalo mo.
Yun. Judging by the reaction of the rest of the panel, parang everybody understands na parang pag nandyan yung kalaban, natataranta bigla, no? How about you, Sir David naman? Siyempre, from your perspective naman as a fresh, let's say, a fresh competitor in this sport, what are you hoping for the sport as a whole in 2025? Not just for your personal career, but what are you hoping to see the sport of drag racing evolves to starting next year?
For me siguro, sana dumami pa yung players. Mas madami pang mag-engage sa drag racing. Instead of, street racing, which is very dangerous. Sana sa track, malaman lang nila yung basics when it comes to drag racing. And siguro yung thrill na rin, na nandun ka sa proper venue kung saan mo pwedeng gawin yung race.
All right. So we still have street racing that's still going on. Of course, we do not condone that, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that we are always participating in the proper places for motorsports, such as the Clark International Speedway, BRC, as well as the other racetracks that are open, especially for the karting tracks. Na alam ko minsan bukas din for toge runs for cars. So, pero street racing is still very much a thing, no? It's still happening around, especially in the provinces. So, I believe I speak for everyone when we agree with you. More venues for these kinds of competitions. Siyempre, hindi lang pwede sa kalsada lang mag-drag race kasi minsan unpredictable din yung condition ng road. So, thank you very much, Sir David.
I'm hoping na next year, mas maraming female racers ang mag-join. And gusto ko din, ganun din, parang mas madaming magko-compete, mas challenging para sa amin. And yung challenge naman na yun, parang maganda siya in a way na mas mag-push kami, mas gagalingan namin, mas, kumbaga yung growth hindi lang sa karera, parang yung personal growth namin nandun kasi hindi kami ito lang. Kasi yung mga competitor mo naman, pwedeng ngayon hindi sila nanalo, pero next year baka sila na yung nasa taas. So parang dapat mag-push kami ng mag-push, not only for ourselves, but also sa mga sponsors namin kasi yun yung way namin para maibalik yung tiwala na binigay sa amin kasi nag-sponsor sila kasi alam nila na alam mo na kaya mong umakyat and mag-perform. Yung makita ka nila sa podium, whether third ka lang or champion ka lang, sobrang saya na rin yun sa kanila. Sa finish line, we're friends pa rin.
And that's wonderful to hear.
May time na naalala ko nung siraan ako nun, sa kanila rin ako lumapit, may pyesa ba kayo? Kasi parang makalaro ulit ako. So, parang, ngayon magkalaban tayo, pero pagkatapos niyan, friends tayo.
Once the helmets are off, everybody's family again. Okay. Sige, thank you very much, Miss Angel.
They say drifting is the best. The rally boys will say rally is the best. Pag mga circuit boys, you say circuit is the best. Because Louis, you know this. Diba? Totoo. You're one of the circuit and drag. For everyone, diba? What would you say to someone like me na circuit boy ako, diba? To come and watch, come and try drag racing so that try that naman, diba? Like, we support, as Aguilan Glass, we support the races, we support some. So we support some of the drivers, but syempre as a competitor, I want to hear from you guys as competitors also that what's your pitch to me? Susubukan ka naman.
All right, so it's a very, very intense question for President. No, but of course. Feel free, anybody from the panel can answer naman, or address the question of Caesar versus.
I-add yung sinabi ni Sir. Kasi before po, nasa circuit din po ako. 2 wheels nga lang, sa motor ko. And I can say na, yung drag po kasi, konting-konting mali mo, wala na. As in, konti lang. Isang straight lang, konting mali mo, sa ilaw ka lang, wala na, talo ka na. Unlike po sa circuit, like what Sir Levi said, mahaba pa yung time mong makabawi. Parang nagkamali ka ngayon sa corner na to, babawiin ko yan pagdating ng straight. Or kung magaling ka sa curve, edi bakbakan mo sa mga curve. Unlike po sa amin na konting-konting mali, 0.00 lang, wala na, talo na kami. And yun nga, paano pa kami babawi? Yung time namin sobrang easy. Kaya para po sa akin, sa akin lang naman, mas sobrang hirap po ng drag compared sa ibang types ng racing.
Once again, everybody a round of applause for our panelists, the thrills and challenges of drag racing. Please rest, and then let's stand here in front. Let's take a photo before we formally close this panel discussion.